Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shiv Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. Opposition slams center for not responding to USA tariff. What is the government to response? What is India's response? There has been no statement of policy, no discussion in parliament, no consultations with opposition party. The government is holding its cards close to its chest if it has any cards at all. P. Chindambar, Congress. We have been doing this from 2023 steadily. Every year, new items are being brought in, keeping in mind Atam Atmanirbhar Bharat for the requirement of development India. This is an ongoing process. It has nothing to do with today's global situation. Nirmala Sitharaman, Union Finance Minister. Unite the tariff is not implemented. What speech or what mention can anyone makes on it? We will be able to talk about it only after it is implemented. After apply to RPN Singh BJP. How will government tackle the issue? Asked Rajya Sabha member Congress MP Chidambaram. Say government should clarify its stand. By reducing custom duty, the government is actually helping small and medium industries, say Finance Minister. The Hindu Bureau, New Delhi, expressing concern over the tariff war looming after the global economy after USA President Donald Trump's recent announcements. Opposition's member in the Rajya Sabha on Thursday asked the centre if it had any specific plan to deal with the issue. The MP raised the issue during a discussion on the appropriation and finance bill. Senior Congress MP and former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram, who initiated the debate on the bill, urged the centre to clarify the country's response to Mr. Trump's statement that he would impose reciprocal tariff on April 2. He said the centre should discuss the issue in parliament or consult the opposition party on the matter. What is the government response? What is India's response? There has been no statement, no policy, no discussion in parliament, no consultations with opposition parties. The government is holding its card close to its chest if it has any card at all, he said. Trump effect. Addressing the members' concern, Union Finance Minister gave a detailed account of the recent reduction in basic custom duty and other tariff, adding that these are not in response to Mr. Trump's announcement. However, Mr. Chidambaram attributed it to the Trump's effect. Ms. Sitharaman said that by bringing down the custom duty or by removing it completely, the center was actually helping small and medium industry that import intermediary goods or raw material mainly for producing some goods which they in turn export. We have actually helped the manufacturing sector, she said, adding that the center had used the opportunity to rationalize the tariff structure and address the duty inversion. Through this, there will be more domestic value addition in industry. It will promote export, facilitate trade, and provide relief for common people, she said. She maintains that the finance will propose to remove 7 custom tariff rate on industrial goods. 2 tranches of rationalization of custom rate rationalization has happened. They have reduced the number of tariff rates from 21 to 8, completely bringing them down. Many Indian exports will now become more competitive as the cost of imported inputs will be completely reduced, the minister said. Consistently, budget after budget, we are coming up with reduction of duty so that India's aspirations to become a manufacturing hub is supported, she said. I heard members saying that the tariff has stated and these things are done as a response to the tariff announcement made by President Trump. No, we have been doing this from 2023. It has nothing to do with today's global situation, Ms. Sitharaman said. Mr. Chidambaram acknowledged that the finance minister had made significant reduction in the basic duty. Thank God, at long last, the government is giving up protectionism. We have screamed from the rooftop that protectionism is not the way to protect the economy. They are mixing up protectionism and patriotism, he said. Both the bill were written by the upper house later on Thursday. Now we start our daily national, international, and sports shorts news. Trump announced the tariff on the import of vehicle and car. 25% world power blazed. USA President Donald Trump's stiff tariff on import of vehicle and car parts, vowing retaliation as a widening trade war intensify. Major car export Germany called for a firm response from the EU, while Japan said it will consider all option. India 2029 30 nuclear energy target increase 30 gigawatt. It has increased from the present 8.18 gigawatt, and it will further enhance to 22.5 gigawatts once all sanctions projects are completed by 2032. The Union Budget 2025-26 outline a significant push towards nuclear energy as part of India's long-term energy transition strategy. The additional troops sent by North Korea to Russia in January and February. 3,000 North Korea sent additional troops to Russia in January and February in continued support for Russian President Vladimir Putin war on Ukraine. South Korea's military said in its latest assessment. Fatality is due to lightning strike in Odisha over 5 years. 1,418 lightning claim 339 live during 2020 21 296 in 2021 22 306 2022 23 272 2023 24 and 205 2024 25. The Mayurbhanj district registered the maximum lightning death 134, followed by Balasur 110, Ganjam 104, and Kunjur 100. Potential job losses due to closure of British steel furnaces. 2,700 Chinese or British Steel said it could close its two blast furnaces as soon as June, as USA tariff and environmental codes threaten to damage its already struggling operation. Now we start our international news. Washington. Trump's call for defunding public media, citing political content. President Trump on Thursday demanding Congress immediately defund to public broadcast NPR and PBS, labeling them biased, radical left platform. Republican issues this, criticizing their content as politically driven. Democrats oppose, citing harm to rural community and free speech concern. Cairo tourist submarine sink off Egypt's coast, leaving 6 dead and 9 injured. A tourist submarine sank near Hurghada, Egypt, killing 6 and injuring 9. Officials said on Thursday. Emerging crew rescued 29 of the 45 passengers of the various nationalities on board. It was not immediately clear what caused the submarine to sink. Tourism is an important sector of Egypt's economy. Beijing. China rebuffed Trump's offer of tariff cut in Beijing agrees to TikTok deal. China rebuffed on Thursday's suggestion from US President Donald Trump to reduce tariff in exchange for Beijing approval to TikTok. The app focuses as USA ban unless sold by April 5 due to national security concerns. Mr. Trump may extend the deadlines if a deal is not reached in time. Damka. Syrian state media say Israeli airstrike hit coastal province. Israeli airstrikes hit Latakia province in Syria on Thursday, targeting Al Abyad port and the city. Syrian state media reported no immediate casualty. A war monitor said munitions depots were struck, causing significant damage. Israel has intensified military operation in Syria since Bashar al-Assad ousted in December. Now we start our sports news. Hitting back, the plan was to collective go hard at the SRH batter Shardul. They are coming hard at the bowler, and why not go hard at them? The plan was collectively go hard at them. We thought if we get early wicket we would do well because they have been going heavy from the start on flat pitches. Shardul Thakur after his 4 wicket haul against Sunrisers Hyderabad. High and low. We fell a little short, but what they better batted well. Cummins after LSCG loss. A difference wicket to the other day. We wanted to go get above 200. A little short, but batted well. The other day was the world's best wicket. Today was probably the second best. Every time it is fresh game, they bowl well. It is long competition, so you kind of ride last game's high and this game's low as such a keeper Kemnis. Excellent progress. Sachin development as a better places CSK head coach Fleming. Chennai Super King head coach Stephen Fleming said he was happy with Sachin Ravindra progress as better. Yeah, his game against spin has always been very good. His development over the last 12 months has been excellent. He got power and he is street smart. So it's a nice combination, the Kiwi said. Finger crossed. Royal Challenger yet to take a call on Bhubaneswar mentor Karthik. RCB mentor Dinesh Karthik gave update on Bhubaneswar Kumar fitness ahead of the IPL fixture against CSK. Yes, Bhuvi did not play the last game versus Kolkata Knight Riders because of fitness concern, but he felt good after bowling yesterday Wednesday. So we will wait on that. Karthik on Thursday. Know your English. This is our daily English session. K. Subramanian Upender S. Upender. Is that a new match watch? Yes, it is. I bought it at Burma Bazaar yesterday for rupee 300. Rupee 300 for that watch. The salesman must have been so had been you coming. Of course, he saw me come. He saw me coming. Otherwise, how would we? He have sold me the watch. That's true. But what I meant was you were cheated. Cheated, you mean? I paid too much for this watch. That's right. See you coming in an idiomatic expression meaning cheated. For example, I can say you paid rupee 20 for those tomatoes. The vendor must have seen you coming. I see. Can I say Ganesh bought the house for 10 lakh? The real estate agent must have been coming. Good example. Thank you. And speaking of Ganesh, did you two go to place Heights for dinner yesterday? No, Ganesh came back from work rather late. By the time he come back home, I had my dinner. Had your dinner? You mean had your dinner? Don't you? No, I mean had my dinner. There's a difference between had my dinner and had my dinner. There is what is it? If I say when Ganesh came at 9, I had my dinner. It means you had your dinner after Ganesh came. No, it means I had my dinner before Ganesh come, before 9 o'clock. I say did Ganesh enjoy to eat alone then? The word enjoy is not followed by the word to you. You cannot, for example, say I enjoy to play tennis. Instead, you say I enjoy playing tennis. I enjoy watching movie. My father enjoy listening to music. What kind of music? Carnatic. No, it's my dad. So it had to be pop music. How was the party last night? Boring. Everyone was talking shop. Which shop were they talking about? When people who work together talk shop, they talk on one another about their work. Talking shop at party, what a boring thing to do. Exactly. Every time my mother goes out to dinner with my father and his friends, she tell them beforehand not to talk shop. Published in the Hindu on December 12, 1995. This is our daily quiz session. The daily quiz session. Some significant event occurred on March 28. Here is quiz on event, birthday, and everything else that happened on the day. Abhinay K make this quiz. Question number 1. On this day in 1930, the name of this Turkish city was changed. The city is the largest city and principal seaport of Turkey. Identify the city its previous name. Question number 2. On this day in 2007, this bowler took 4 wickets in 4 balls at the Cricket World Cup Super 8 match. Despite his remarkable feat, the opposition team won with a wicket to spare. Identify the bowler and the winning team. Question number 3. With 10 nominations and 3 awards, Rocky had good show at the 49th Academy Award held on this day in 1977. Sylvester Stallone become one of the only three performers to have been nominated for Best Actor and Best Original Screenplay for the same movie. Name the other two person. Question number 2. The final episode of the American television variety show on CBS was aired on this day. The show was named after its host that was previously called Toast of Town. Name the show. Question number 5. The 34th President of the United States passed away on this day in 1969. Richard Nixon was his vice president. Identify the former president. Visual question. The Peruvian writer who won the 2010 Nobel Prize in Literature was born on this day in 1936. Identify the person. This is previous day quiz answer question answer to the previous day's daily quiz. In Parkinson disease, nerve call of the brain slowly break down, which lead to the reduction of this chemical in the brain, dopamine. Men are more likely to develop Parkinson disease than women. True. The name of the symptom due to Parkinson disease, which involves slow movement, is slow suffering, walk, etc. Bradykinesia, an effective medicine that increase the amount of chemical that had decrease in the brain and help improve system and functionality. Levodopa, carbidopa, the surgical procedure that involve placing electrolytes in the brain to send electric pulses. Deep brain stimulation. Visual question. The part of the brain affected by the Parkinson disease, substantia nigra. Early word who gave the answer. So guys, this is today video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. We meet you tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.